This is a Mercedes ML550. It's got a leak coming from the brakes. A customer had taken it to Mercedes for some type of work, and they were told that the rear steel lines are leaking. So we're going to jack it up, figure out which lines are leaking, where they're leaking from, measure them out, bend them up, flare them up, and put them on, then bleed the brake systems, and hopefully no more leaks, and the customer will have brakes again. And there's a little bit of wear there, peeling there, little rust there, little rust there. And once you get back here, brand new. No problems,
Right.
no nothing all the way through. So that's why we can cut it here, splice in a new line there with proper connectors and everything like that,
Right.
and then just replace from here. Alright, so on this Mercedes, we had a brake line leak. We ended up finding the leak. It was the coating that was on the line was corroded and ended up holding in moisture and basically rotting the line out from underneath that covering. So we took the line out, bent up a new line to match the old line, bent it all in, installed it back in the car, bled the brakes. Brakes are good. There's no leaks. Everything is working as it should. Test drove the car. Brakes are good. Pedals high and firm. Everything's good. Customer's happy. This job's done.